So on the next several slides, you're going to be looking at polygons that are regular. So if a polygon is regular, that means that all of the sides and all of the angles from that shape are the same. So like, for example, this triangle has all equal sides and all of equal angles. All the blue angles are equal. Okay. Now we have a specific name for a triangle when it's all equal sides and angles, and that would be equilateral. Now, how we find the number here is we are going to just use our formula, 180 times the number of sides minus 2. So you can just copy and paste that formula over here, or just type it in, 180n minus 2. But we really need to replace that n with a number, and n is the number of sides. So this is 3 minus 2. Oh, so a triangle, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. We remember that. Total number of degrees is 180. So you could have also just typed it in there. Now, how we figure out the next number, we want all these blue angles. So how we find the blue angles is we take the total number of degrees that we have. So we take our total number of degrees, 180, and we divide it by how many sides we have. In this case, we're dividing it by 3. Okay, so 180 divided by 3 is 60. Now we can add that on our diagram here. Each of these angles are 60 degrees, and we've worked with that before. Equilateral triangles, all angles are 60. Okay, and now how we find the number at the bottom, we know our formula is 360 divided by n. So I'm just going to type that in as a fraction, 360 divided by n. Oops. And n, in this case, well, there's 3 sides, so we're going to make it 3, and that's going to be 120. So that means all of our purple angles are 120 degrees. So we can type that onto our diagram here as well. So 120, 120 and 120. And a pattern that you'll also notice and recognize is that these two angles here, they create a straight line, so they add up to 180. So you could have also done 180 minus 60 to get the 120. So for the next several problems, I would set up your calculator to have these 3 formulas here. 180 times the number of sides minus 2. Then you take the answer from that, the total number of degrees divided by your number of sides, and then your last outside angle is going to be 360 divided by the number of sides you have.